back. I hope you all are having a wonderful Tuesday evening. So as you can see from the title down below, I already got my August 2019 Tribe Beauty Box. What? Yes. So we're gonna dive in here and see exactly what we got for August 2019 in just a few minutes. Before I dive into the actual box, I just wanna go over some information and let you know a little bit about Tribe Beauty Box if you are not that familiar. So it is a Canadian beauty box where you receive 5 full-size beauty products from trendy and indie brands worth over $100, and it's only $34.99. There is a shipping charge, but you will receive, like I said, the 5 full or deluxe size beauty products from trendy to independent and up-and-coming brands. The beauty experts carefully select each item based on the staple products needed in each beauty kit, as well as current trends. Now, I do have a link that I'm going to put down below for you guys to get you to Tribe Beauty Box, as well as a promo code, which is Southern Mom, and that will get you 10% off your first box. So that is really awesome. So you can save some money. And this is a bi-monthly subscription, so that's really awesome as well. So if you are wanting to get into some beauty boxes and you want to try a new one, but you don't want to commit to every month, this would be for you because, like I said, it is bi-monthly. So you're only paying every other month, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and dive in. I hope you all are having a fantastic day or had a fantastic day. I do want to remind you guys, we have just a few days left. We have a couple different giveaways going on. We have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on, the Jeffree Star mystery box giveaway going on, the Snack With Me box giveaway going on, and the Rebecca mail where you can win a 3-month subscription. So definitely check those out. If you have not already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. And as always, leave your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys, or just tell me how your day went and give the video a thumbs up. But without further ado, the August 2019 Tribe Beauty Box. So as you can see, I have like straight up the messy mom bun and everything going on, light makeup, because it's been a day, I'm gonna tell you. So when I open it, this is what I see. So I can, it just would not be one of my videos if I didn't drop something. So there went one of the products. So the other 4 are in here with some little peanuts. So let me get that and I'll be right back. All right, so since this decided to hop on out of the box, we'll start with this. There is no card or anything in the box. So we will just go with it. So this first item is from Cass Cosmetics, and let's see, it says distributed by Ruby May. So Luxe Lip Treatment, and then it says Pinwheel. So I don't know if that's like, if it's a, like maybe like a lip plumper or something. I don't even know, but we'll find out. All right. Well, the plastic is trying to like static electricity stay on my hand. All right, so oh, Luxe Lip Treatment. That's all it says. It doesn't tell us what. I'm guessing it's like a plumper. This is really pretty, but it looks kind of like a pink, sparkly clear gloss. So I'm thinking it's more than likely probably a plumper, and that's really, really pretty. Like, that is super sparkly. So I'm actually gonna put this back in the box, set this to the side for a giveaway, because I'll be honest, I really don't need any plumping. Like, I got them. So hopefully one of you guys can use that. So we will just move right along. And the next item is from Cargo Cosmetics, and it is a powder blush. So here we have that. And this is in the shade Laguna. So let's open this up. Oh, it's in like a tin. That's different. Like, it is legit like in a tin. That is so different. okay. That is a very pretty color. Again, that is called Laguna. Thinking, I don't know. Doesn't have a scent. I'm gonna have to think on this because I don't know if this is gonna be too like corally for me. I mean, I'm okay with a coral blush, like peach, pinks, but I'm almost wondering if this would just be a bit much. So I'm gonna think on this. I'm gonna put it back in the box and set it to the side for a minute. All right, and then we have from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, HD setting spray, high definition makeup setting spray for long lasting matte finish. That's nice. Turn it this way so you can read it. Okay, it's 2.46 fluid ounces. I'm probably gonna set this to the side for a future giveaway just because I have so many setting sprays. I really do not need another one. And I've gone a little crazy with like facial mist that can also be used as a setting spray. So one of you guys can enjoy that. So let's see, what else do we have? Then we have from The Balm, Priming is Everything, Natural Eyeshadow Primer. And this is what it looks like. So I've never seen an eyeshadow primer like this. Like I have the Urban Decay one. Okay, but it is creamy. The Color Transformer. Apply primer to the eyelid for a smooth surface, using any shadow over the primer to pop and prolong the color. So you can see it's just like a nude color. And I can tell, I don't know if you guys can tell there, but it is a cream product. I'm gonna set this to the side because like I said, I have the Urban Decay, why can't I think the name of it? Potion something or another. And I have one other eyelid primer, and I don't always reach for it. So I know that this would probably just sit. So one of you guys will hopefully get some use out of it. So let's take a look at our final item. Now this item we actually were able to customize. There were 3 different palettes this month. They were all from Ruby May Cosmetics right here. There was like Moods, The Vibes, and I honestly don't remember what the other one was, but you were able to pick which one you wanted, and they were all extremely bright. So I actually don't have any palettes from Ruby May, but I'm gonna have to see these shades in person because again, these are, I mean, when I say bright, these are like super bright, and I just don't know that I can do that. Like, I mean, I've dabbled into purples and greens and blues and stuff, but these are like bright. When I say bright, I mean bright. So let's just take it out of here and look. So the palette actually looks just like the box. I've heard wonderful things about Ruby May Cosmetics. Whoa, boy. Okay. These are so bright, but they are so pretty. Like, super, super bright, but so gorgeous. Let me just show you. Like, do y'all see these? So we only have 3 mattes and then 5 shimmers. So this is Tea, Rose, Glow, which it definitely would. That's a very champagne-y sparkle, very pretty. Flirt right here, the super hot pink. Psychic, Mermaid, and that color is gorgeous. So is this one right here, this purple. Babe, and then Shade. I mean, it is so gorgeous, and I'll be honest, there's really only like 4 shades in here I think I would even use, and it would be these 3 here and then that shimmer. Like, just so gorgeous. But I have so many eyeshadow palettes, y'all. You know what I'm about to do? Okay. I'm not gonna swatch it because the blush. I'm gonna put this right back in here, just like it was. Didn't swatch it. So there's the Ruby May Cosmetics Vibes palette, the Balm Natural Eyeshadow Primer. Priming is everything. Okay, that was a cream product. The Bella Pierre HD Setting Spray right here. We have the like really pretty coral, it's called Laguna blush from Cargo Cosmetics. And then from Cass Cosmetics, which appears to be, if you can see back here, it says distributed by Ruby May Inc. Excuse my nails, I need to get a manicure. So I think this is a division of Ruby May Cosmetics, but it was that pink glittery lip treatment, Luxe lip treatment. I'm telling you, I have to really bet you that this is a plumper, and I don't need a plumper, so I'm gonna give this box away. We're just gonna go ahead and do a little giveaway. So today is August 6th. It's Tuesday evening. I'm going to let this run for till September 6th, so for a month. I'm gonna let it run for a month. Especially being that Try Beauty Box is a bi-monthly subscription, and technically this is kind of like the August and September box. So I'm gonna let this run till September 6th, and I will use a random comment picker to select a winner. If you have not entered any of my giveaways before, they are super easy. One, you must be subscribed to my channel. Two, you must be over the age of 18 and have a US shipping address. Now you can live outside the US as long as you have somewhere in the US that I can send this to. Must like this video, and since I'm going to be using a random comment picker, leave a comment down below, and just put whatever you want, but put the words "enter me" in the comment and any of the heart emojis. Let's spread some love. We need love right now with everything that's going on, with the shootings and stuff. We need some love, so let's put some hearts in the comment and enter me, and then whatever else you would like to say. Like I said, so today is August 6th. I'm gonna let this run until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 6th, and then on September 7th I will use a random comment picker to select a winner. And then I will respond to the winner's comment and pin it, letting them know that they have won, and you have 48 hours to get back in touch with me and give me your shipping information. So I'm just gonna give away the whole box. So if you wanna win this Try Beauty box, follow those rules, super, super easy. Again, just be subscribed, like the video, leave a comment with "enter me" and any of the heart emojis, be over the age of 18 with a US shipping address. So again, if you are new, I do hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We have tons of fun here, lots of unboxings, giveaways, obviously. I do a couple little haul videos here and there, sneak peek giveaways, live streams, all kinds of stuff. Did I say sneak peek giveaways? Sneak peek videos, live streams, all kinds of fun stuff. It's getting late. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Good luck on the contest. Like I said, just make sure you follow all of those rules, and on the 7th I will announce the winner, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.